Hey everyone, Dr. Jenn here, wanting to talk about something that's come up repeatedly with my clients and myself this last couple of weeks. Is what you're experiencing retracing or a resurfacing of old patterns? I know when I've gotten on calls with clients, they're like, oh, like this same stuff is coming up again. And I know I was struggling with that too. And what I was reminded when I did my own check-in was that sometimes old patterns come up for us to be able to let them go. And in doing that, they have to retrace that pattern, which is essentially us re-experiencing it, feeling it, maybe feeling pain or discomfort or feelings of self-doubt and uncertainty, things that we thought we had worked through. So what is it that you're experiencing? Is it retracing or resurfacing? You don't know? Ask me.